Oh shit, the audio was off. Welcome, guys. Renus here from the Fire South African chapter. We are going to have a great evening tonight. We've even got Dave Duran in the house. So let's bring him all in. And we're going to bring him all in first with Mr. Dave, then Mr. Derek, our president. And we'll bring now the guy that's going to be competing, the Sergeant of Arms.
Good evening, our Presidente.
Welcome,
what
guys.
What is happening, guys? We got a full house tonight.
Good evening, folks.
Good to see you, man.
It's good about time.
Yeah.
Has to be done.
It's a little bit tight. COVID hasn't been kind to me.
How you doing,
I got
Dave?
to go up a size or two, I think.
No, we were just complaining about how cold it is currently. So,
one out of the ear, so you won't talk so loud.
Yeah, it's not getting any better here.
I can
but
see
look,
by the pictures of the weather there. It's freezing cold, eh?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
we'll survive.
We're on the wrong side of the world.
So what we got planned? We doing a chug?
Yeah, and down here in the Western Cape, there's just heat front after heat front. This weekend was actually 41 degrees.
Yeah, sounds terrible.
Now, we wanted to give you a pretty African sunset, but the sun went down.
Yeah.
So we just put on some lights.
Now everyone can see.
I just chugged the beer in the roadhouse for my.
Okay, so brother.
Yes. Apparently, we're doing a little bit of a chug. I've got the old one. Camera. Sorry, we're sitting outside, so light is
A bit
intentionally limited.
I got a V3 here.
Yeah, we've got the
How are
one.
you guys going to do this?
Well, he is.
Turbo
Okay.
or shots?
I've been told that I would be killed if I don't read the rules. And I don't think anybody does not know the rules, so overwrite or read.
Override.
Okay. I'll read.
Okay.
Please
I just need
read
to
it.
find a phone so I can actually read. All right. You must video a challenge without edits. You must be seen opening the bottle, seal.
Pour half the contents.
Pour half the contents in a clear glass. We're not going to do that. We're going to put the entire content in the glass.
Wait 4 minutes.
Wait 4 minutes.
And then
And you've completed the challenge. So simple as that.
Are you gonna do the turbo chug or the shots?
I'm just going to drink it.
Yeah. So okay, I was getting my glasses ready, but I'll do a chug as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is sealed. I don't know how well you can see, but yeah, I'm just going to do it a little bit of a shake up.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
still sealed.
Do you have
Right.
Do you have the League of Fire disclaimer handy? Oh, you can drink it from the bottle, AJ.
I've
No,
looked for
we-
it. I couldn't find it anywhere. But the disclaimer essentially boils down to, since I'm a little bit of a legal mind.
So let's I'll read it
Who's
out and
gonna
you just
read
throw
it?
your name in after I say
Okay,
Dave Doran, and
perfect.
then hopefully they'll accept that. There's no reason why they shouldn't accept it. So I, Dave Doran, and
AJ Nell.
are both over the age of 18 years of age, of sound mind, and have read and understood the hot sauce and product disclaimers on the League of Fire website. In summary, we both accept that the League of Fire, their suppliers and manufacturers will, under no circumstances, be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arising from us both consuming this product or multiples thereof. We acknowledge and we agree to this fact without question.
Perfect. Thanks, Dave.
I guess that's the best we can do. And I mean, you're illegal. You can drink it from the bottle. You don't need to pour it into a glass.
But it's pretty like this.
Okay. So,
And we can see it's about, what's that? 100 ml.
it's 100 ml, yeah. I'm gonna crack mine. Mine's still sealed.
Yours has got a nicer seal than mine.
Yeah.
And what?
It's looking good. I'm just going to put a little bit of the light. I won't move around with the light.
I'll step
Okay.
out quickly and then
Okay.
you can have light.
Somebody has a timer. I don't have a timer because I'm on my phone.
My child's got a timer here next to me, so just
Awesome.
point the
I'm
timer
ready
so
with
everyone
one.
can see it.
How many
So-
minutes? 4 minutes.
It should be 4. Yes, the angle is bad with the light, but yeah, there's a 4 minute there.
I just chugged the beer.
Also
I just
got
had
one right
dinner and I
there.
ran upstairs and now I'm doing this.
Okay,
No,
we've got
good.
another one with Venus, so we should be fine. All right. Dave, cheers.
Cheers. Bottoms up.
Thanks.
Cheers, man. Enjoy.
Oh, that's lovely.
Is it finished?
It should look quite finished. There.
Starting.
And you can start. I was a little bit afraid about watching paint dry, so I put on a little bit of a laser show there.
Oh yeah. It's
Absolutely
really dark on your
gorgeous.
camera.
Okay, I
That's
can
what
feel
your
it.
tummy is going to feel like.
No, man.
I wasn't prepared for this at all.
Yeah, I've still got to do a little bit of preparation a little bit later tonight, so back in court tomorrow morning. So it should be exciting.
So how's that thing tasting, mate?
You know, if it doesn't take my voice away, it's okay-ish. Because usually I lose my voice.
The V3 is a really good chug. I failed the V2, but I'm blaming the beer for failing the V2. But I've done a heap of these V3s, and it's actually a really, really tasty sauce. Considering it's a challenge, it's a tasty sauce for what it is.
Yeah, this was a bit of kind of like a Bloody Mary type thing to it. Without the alcohol.
Like a Bloody Mary without the vodka.
Yeah, basically like that.
Virgin Mary.
But it's not horrible. It's just a bit of a non-entity.
So you're still sleeping
I've
in
had
the spare room
horrible
tonight?
chug, and this one is, yeah, it's got a taste to it.
We should be nearing the halfway mark,
Already? Okay.
I guess. I
Yeah,
don't know.
we're on 2 minutes about. Yes, that's correct. That's there.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. It's a beer.
My child takes this timer job very seriously.
Don't worry, we too.
I'm
I
the only
still
one
have
that-
I have one of the Killer Queen chugs still.
I believe those are quite nasty.
Yeah, I got a few of them last year, but I sent a few out as gifts, or when I was sending out patches, I sent them out. I did one myself, and I still have one more. So,
I don't
yeah.
check that. That's gonna be bad.
It's like there's 9 million extract in it, so it's a bit different to what we're doing at the moment.
Oh, definitely.
They have a kick for sure.
No, I'm scared of anything. When the extract goes up, I go a little bit panicky.
Are you feeling, buddy? You in it? You winning it? It looks
No,
like you're a
no,
winner.
it's all good.
You were very stressed about this, huh?
I was. I
It's a
mean,
lot easier, right?
I even went and bought yogurt and I forgot to eat it. But yeah, the stress
Is this your
levels were
first
high.
League of Fire challenge, JJ?
It is my first one.
So I reckon like 50 seconds or so, is it?
Yeah, I think you're close. Where are we, Damien? This is 5.
No,
Venus says 25, so somewhere
17, 16,
go for the
15.
25.
So congratulations and welcome to League of Fire, I guess.
10.
Thank you so much, Dave. I really appreciate it.
Glad I could make it on short notice.
2,
And yeah,
1.
Venus says still 5 seconds. My phone. Okay, there we go. We did it again.
Good job.
No,
Good job.
glad you guys could
That's,
join.
Well
And it was good fun.
I think it's 3 points for the turbo chug.
I think so, yeah.
So that's a good start. A lot of people usually join the League of Fire and they take the one packy chip for 1 point or the White Lightning for 1 point.
No.
So automatically that will jump you up ahead of a few people who've just 1 or 2 points.
No, that's brilliant. Thanks. I see my
Awesome
children are
job
disappearing again.
there, AJ.
You want to meet Uncle Dave? There you go.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm not so good. that chili chug is after hitting my stomach.
Yeah, I might start feeling it around 3 o'clock usually.
Oh, fortunately for me, I don't have any issue getting it back up. So right now,
The problem with me is you don't want any of this to happen while you're in court.
yeah. Oh, for real.
So that's why I postponed 2 times, and unfortunately, I ended up in court tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and evict this right now, get it out of my system before it settles.
All right, guys. Thank you so
Gentlemen,
much.
thank you for hosting. Renus, AJ, pleasure, and see you again soon.
Lekker.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheers.
Lekker, guys. Stay safe.
Cool stuff. Thank you.